Shwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo kloy ki kubor na ke jylla. Haka arpu tarik Risaw arhajar arpuar, Myntri Rangbah ke Shillong Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma, Pyllait Paidbah Bianchi Memorial Hall, kabadon Iingmane Laitumkhrah Shillong, Iaka kyrteng, values must come alive, Thoh the Emiritus Archbishop Thomas Menamparampil, ubadai Archbishop jyllaniambah Guwahati. Hakatei ke sngi ryngkat lang, Most Rev Archbishop Victor Lyngdoh, ubadai Archbishop jyllaniambah Shillong, Rev W.C Khongwir, teng moderator ke Presbyterian Church of India Meghalaya, Dr. Syiemlieh Shillong, chairman barim ke UPSC, ki pastor ki Lyngdoh ki sister ki brother na ka Christ King College ki khana school bat kiwe layo ru khandiat ek jingkren halor ka kot bat chaphang nong tho bat ikijing rai pensngotanat.
And a very warm welcome celebrated here this evening.
Honor for today's program, His Grace Archbishop Victor Lyngdoh, the Archbishop of Shillong Diocese, Archbishop Thomas Menamparampil, the SDB, Archbishop Emiritus of Guwahati, Reverend W.C Khongwir, the former moderator of PCI, Professor David R. Syiemlieh, our former chairperson of UPSC, Reverend Pastors, Father Thoh, Mr. Shillong, the member of the MPSC, and all the dignitaries who are present here today, and all the students.
It is a special privilege, and it gives me great joy as well to be invited to say a few words on the occasion of the public release of the book Values Must Come Alive by Archbishop Emeritus Thomas Menamparampil. Archbishop interests as shown in his writing are so varied: spirituality, culture, social responsibility, peacemaking, in short, everything that makes a person totally alive, fully human and truly divine. Sculptor's ideas are synthesized and unified by his deep religious experience and by a passionate desire to share them with others. They are formulated with a clear focus, originality and creativity. He has thus broadened the horizons, widened the perspectives, and shaped by the vision of people in all walks of life. He has been an immense source of inspiration, creativity, encouragement, and indomitable optimism. In an earlier publication, Attempt the Impossible, he addressed and challenged his fellow believers, co-workers, not to limit to human spirit and possibilities, but rather to go beyond, expand the vision in an attempt to build a vibrant church and a just and violence-free society. In the present book, he has attempted to deal with themes that are central to human existence and essential for its survival and growth. Values, the whole gospel of Jesus Christ is about a new set of values: love, mercy, and forgiveness for the enemy, greatness through humble service, dignity of the socially marginalized, richness of poverty, and life and victory in death. A very notable characteristic of Archbishop writing is their inclusiveness and in universal appeal. He does not limit his sources only to Christian traditions, but instead draws inspiration from all walks of life and thinking. For example, the sub-theme in the article are punctuated and made insightful by very inspiring citations from a wide variety of sources: mystics, religious thinkers, philosophers, historians, political and secular thinkers, and even agnostics. He sees the presence of the universal in a particular, something positive and good even in the created system, and addresses their basic good and noble elements in every human being. Hence, readers even with different schools of thought can find in his writing something that touches their lives. Fundamental human values can be the locus where different points of view can converge. This may have been the reason why he has chosen this theme for the present book. It is the conviction that values should lie at the heart of social discourse, and that the future of humanity is secure only when values are alive. And the values that wants to highlight are centered on social justice, with its many positive ramifications. The 16 chapters of the book build on a measure of continuity of thought by systematically relating them to the key theme of social responsibility. Its intended addresses those in power, social, political activists, and intellectuals.